Hello, today I will show you how to navigate through MyServicePoint Portal 2.0, as well as how to create and manage cases. After you're onboarded, you will receive an email with a link to the portal, as well as login instructions. The login page looks like this. I have entered the username as well as the password for our sample customer, and by clicking on Login, I will be taken to the main page of the portal. This is how the main page of the portal looks like. In the top right corner, you will find the notification bell. Right next to the notification bell is your avatar. By clicking on it, you will be able to access your personal settings. Simply click on My Preferences, and you will be directed to your personal settings. From here, you can adjust the language, time zone, as well as upload a profile picture if you would like to. This is, of course, optional. Over here are the email settings. You can decide how often you would like to receive a summary of your activity in the portal, as well as enable or disable the case follow-up. The case follow-up basically means being notified every time there is some activity in your cases. Our recommendation is to keep it turned on. This way, you will not miss any updates and will have a better overview. By clicking on your avatar, you're also able to access our portal tour guide, as well as log out. Back to the home page. Over here, in the news window, it is planned to show news and updates. Right next to it is the case overview. And next to it, if applicable for you, is the overview of your payroll calendar. Here on the right side, you will find the Help button. By clicking on it, you will have the option to create a case, jump to the frequently asked questions section, where you will also find the manual for the portal, access our demo videos, as well as leave feedback if you wish. The Help button is accessible from anywhere in the portal. Over here is the menu. From the menu, you are able to jump to any desired category, such as cases, documents, etc. Now I will show you how to create a case. Simply click on Cases and then on Create a Case. Now you have to fill in all the obligatory fields. First, choose the affiliate. If you do not need a particular affiliate, choose any affiliate. Then you need to choose the asset. The asset is the product or service that you are using. Next, fill in the title as well as the description. If you tick the box on Private, this will make the case only visible for you and it will be hidden from your colleagues. You can also indicate if there is a financial impact for your organization, as well as specify how many of your colleagues and employees are affected. Next, the record type. The record type is query case by default, because this is what you will meet 95% of the time. A query case is a request for a service that does not result in a permanent change to the outcome of structure of the existing system. For example, consulting. A change request is the type you would select if you would like to receive an additional service that is not included in your contract. And an incident would be selected in case of a malfunction or interruption of a service, such as program downtime, incorrect or incomplete billing. You can also upload files. This, however, can also be done after the case has been created. Once you have all the information, simply click on Create a Case. After creating the case, you will be taken to this page with the list views. There are 4 list views with cases: active cases, pending cases, closed cases, as well as all cases. In active cases, you will find an overview of cases in which SDWorks needs your input. Once you see what SDWorks requires from you and provide us with this information, simply uncheck the Attention Needed toggle. Otherwise, the case will remain in your active cases list view. It is also important to mention that every time there is some new activity in a case, you will be notified per email. It will look something like this. Please do not reply to the email. Instead, click on the case number, which will direct you to the case, and write a new post. Pending cases are all the cases that are being dealt with by SDWorks. The list view with closed cases shows you all the cases that have been closed, and the list view with all cases shows you an overview of all existing cases. In every list view, you will have the option to sort and filter. You can sort by case number, date open, contact name, as well as subject. Simply choose what you would like to sort the cases by and use the arrows to indicate whether you would like the results to be displayed in descending or ascending order. You can filter by account name, affiliate, case number, contact name, resolution, subject, or date open. Simply choose one option, select the operator, and type in the value you would like to see. Then click on Apply Filter. Now I see all the cases that contain the word Germany in their subject. To clear out the filter and go back to the list view with all cases, simply click on Clear Filter. Now I will show you what the inside of a case looks like. To get inside a case, simply click on either the number or the title. When we resolve a case, it will appear in the list view with your active cases. That is because now you have the option to either approve or reject our resolution. If you click on Yes, the status, which is now resolved, will go to closed. If you click on No, the status will go back to in progress and we will be notified about it. This is how the inside of a case looks like. You have 3 tabs: Communications, Case Details, and Attachments. Under Communications, you are able to see all the posts that have been shared in a case, as well as write new posts and mention your colleagues or SDWorks employees. To write a post, simply click inside the field and type something. To mention someone, simply click on the Tag Portal User field and type the name of the person you would like to mention. And then select. You can also share files by clicking on Upload Files or via drag and drop. It is important, once you have selected your files, it is important to always make sure that you have a description. Otherwise, you will not be able to upload your files and you will receive an error message. So make sure that this field here is not empty. Once you have done everything here, simply click on Post Update. In the field Case Details, you can see case information such as status, record type, and whether or not the case is private. And under Attachments, you're able to see all the documents that have been shared in this case, both by you, your colleagues, as well as SDWorks employees. To be able to see all the documents that have ever been shared in all the cases and pay runs, if applicable for you, click on the Documents tab in the menu. Again, you are able to sort them by title, file type, as well as uploaded date, and choose the order, descending or ascending. Once you've chosen it, simply click on Apply Sorting. You are also able to search by title, case number, as well as step name. Choose one of these options and type in the value you would like to see. Now, I have a list view of all the cases that have the value or the word training in the title. To get the complete list view once again, simply delete the search value and you will be taken back to this view. And finally, you're able to download these documents. You can select all of them and download them as bulk, or you can select only some of them, and by clicking on download, this will create a zip file and they will be downloaded on your device. If you're a managed service customer, you will have your payrolls right here, and right underneath is the Reports tab. Here, it is planned for the future to have standard reports. And that is how to create and manage cases, as well as navigate through the portal. Thank you for watching.